to the Blitz news channel. Let's talk about this update. Amid continuous incessant rains in the national capital, the Indian Meteorological Department has yet again predicted light to moderate intensity rains over isolated parts of Delhi and other adjoining areas. According to the Weather Department, Southeast Delhi, East Delhi and Preet Vihar areas of Delhi can receive rainfall today. Light to moderate intensity rain would like to occur over isolated places of Southeast Delhi, East Delhi, Preet Vihar, Panipat, Safido, Karnal, Kaithal, Fatehabad, Adampur, Barwala, Narwana, tweeted IMD. Ghaziabad, Indrapuram areas of the NCR region are also predicted to receive rainfall today. Indrapuram, Ghaziabad, Kandhala, Shamli और शरणपुर, मुजफ्फरनगर, देवबंद और गनगोह यूपी, सिद्धमुख और भादरा, सादुलपुर and adjoining areas during the next 2 hours, IMD further said. For the second day in a row, people in the national capital woke up to heavy rains on Thursday. Several routes were either partially or completely waterlogged, causing disruption in traffic movement. Several areas were submerged due to a heavy burst of rain. Roads were waterlogged in the Ring Road area as the national capital continued to receive a heavy downpour. Waterlogging was also witnessed near India Gate, Dhola, Kua and ITO. The underpass near the Palam was also waterlogged in the early hour of Thursday. So that's it from us in this news. Thank you for your time.